You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I said correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names that too many people get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll definitely want to learn from pronounced in Polish as Zofia. That's the Polish pronunciation. Therefore, in English, some pronounce it also as Zofia. But in English, it's probably more commonly pronounced as Zofia. This is an alternate spelling and a bit of a different pronunciation of the name Sophia with a Z, Zofia in English. Do you pronounce it Zofia yourself? Where are you from? Or Zofia? Let us know where you're from and what is your pronunciation. Or Zofia? Probably not. Zofia or Sophia? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.